Hey everyone, today we will learn Madhubani art. As you can see, I have already uploaded one picture of that. Madhubani art is a style of Indian painting. It is practiced in Mithila region of India. This painting is done with variety of tools including fingers, twigs, brushes, nib pens, matchsticks and using natural dyes and pigments. So it's characterized by eye-catching geometric patterns also. As you can see this. So let's start it. So for doing this painting we need markers, black gel pens, different colored pens, one compass, scale and I have used brush pens over here. You can use anything whatever your choice is. Now I am just drawing some patterns and our motto is we have to fill the page completely. The complete page will be filled by different shapes and patterns. This is how we will do this one. Now as you can see, I am just drawing some different shapes with the help of pencil. If you want, you can use directly pens over here, and after the completion of the pencil work we will rub it. And here you can see also in the second circle I am just drawing one fish with the help of pen only. Directly I am using it. I am not using pencil over here. And now I am filling it with different shapes and the shapes are being filled with different colors. Now let's know something about Madhubani art. Generally, Madhubani painting was traditionally created by the women of various communities in Mithila region of the Indian subcontinent. It originated from Madhubani district of the Mithila region of Bihar. Madhubani is also a major export center of these paintings. These paintings as a form of wall art was practiced widely throughout the region. The more recent development of painting on paper and canvas mainly originated from the villages around the Madhubani, and it is these latter developments that led to the term Madhubani art being used alongside Mithila painting. Now the paintings were traditionally done on freshly plastered mud walls and floors of huts, but now they are also done on cloth, handmade paper and canvas. Madhubani paintings are made from the paste of powdered rice. Madhubani painting has remained confined to a compact geographical area and the skills have been passed on through the centuries. The content and the style have largely remained the same. Thus, Madhubani painting has received geographical indication means GI status. Madhubani paintings use two-dimensional imaginary and the colors used are derived from the plants. Madhubani paintings mostly depict people and their association with nature and scenes and the deities from the ancient epics. Natural objects like the sun, the moon, and religious plants like tulsi are also widely painted along with scenes from the royal court and the social events like weddings. Generally, no space is left empty. The gaps are filled by paintings of flowers, animals, birds, and even geometric designs. Traditionally, painting was one of the skills that was passed down from the generation to generation in the family of Mithila region, mainly by women. It is still practiced and kept alive in institutions spread across the Mithila region. As you can see, our work is almost finished. This is how it is looking after finishing. I hope all of you have liked this video and don't forget to try this at your home. Not so many things are needed for making these Madhubani painting. Each and everything, whatever will be used for making this painting will be available at your home. But one most important thing which is needed for making this, that is patience. So keep patience and make it. Bye.